Check out the shoulder. Check out the shoulder. Check out the shoulder. Ding, ding, ding. Hi, everybody. It's me, Kendra, on IKanSew, and I'm coming to you with a twofer. So, for one, this is Vlogmas Day 7, and I'm so excited about it. I'm actually tired. You can see it in my eyes, but I'm on my way to bed, so don't worry about that. And the second thing is I am here doing an Is It So Easy pattern review on Mccall's 7836. Let me get the envelope for you. I am actually wearing View C. That is the one she is wearing with the cuffs from View B. So I wanted longer cuffs. I kind of like a thing where it kind of hangs past my wrist, and where like if a bracelet was dangling, it would be like also over that. I kind of like that look. So this is a turtleneck, well, a mock turtleneck, open shoulder sweatshirt. You can do it in a couple of different materials, but I did it in a sweatshirt. So let me show you here. Sweatshirt. So I like this outfit, right? It only had 6 pieces, and that was the front, the arm. The front you cut in 2, so it has this piece here, but it's still 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5 is the back. I don't know what the 6 piece is. I don't know. Anyways, this I can't think of it. Anyways, the trickiest part I had with this is that had to do with the pattern was sewing on the collar. So that was a little tricky. It had some weird explanation it had going on, and I'll show it to you here. We had to do like this narrow hem, and it came around this piece, and then you had to attach this. It was a whole lot going on if you were just to read the instruction. But as I was going through it, it got a little bit more intuitive. So that was okay. Again, I've seen many people actually sew this up, but you guys know I come to you with, is it easy to actually sew? Because we get a lot of expert sewers who have videos, right? So I wanted to come to you and let you know that this one is easy. I'm going to make it again in like a lighter material. It's still going to be it's like this thin sweater like material, and I'm going to make it in that because you guys know I'm on a quest to make sweatshirts, right? So this is not necessarily something I can wear on my business Zoom meetings, but it is something that I really like. I like this material. It's very comfortable. I can throw on some jeans and some boots and feel like I've dressed up while all the time feeling comfortable. But you don't care about my fashion sense. What you care about is whether or not you will be able to make this. This pattern here, which is again 7836, comes with 4 options. So you have a short sleeve with a cuff. It has a cuff around here. And then you have, the bodice of all 4 are the same. And then it kind of varies from there. So let me show you the back so you can see what I'm saying. A has the cuff, right? And then it does not have, the bodice is not the same because it doesn't have this open sleeve, this open shoulder. And then you have B that has the puff bell sleeves, two piece bell sleeve, which is nice. No open shoulder and the long cuffs. Then you have C, which is the one I'm wearing, but it comes with short cuffs, open shoulder, and a mock turtleneck. And then you have D, which is a Mod Podge of everything. They just threw it all in there and said, what the heck? It has a keyhole, it has flirted sleeves, it has 2 open shoulders. They just said, you know what? We're just gonna, you want a hack? We're gonna make a hack for you. So that's what they did here. I again love this. I love the styling that was on the front here. I love everybody's version that I made, and then I made this here. So again, it's like 5 or 6 pieces because again, I think it's really 5 because I just counted and I don't see 6. But anyways, it is 5 pieces. It's very easy to make, easy to cut, easy to put together, and very, very quick sew. So does it pass my Is It So Easy test? Yes, it does. I recommend that you get it. It is available at, it was made in 2018, but it is available still at Joann's in the pattern drawers and on the Mccall website. Now remember, if you go to the Mccall website and you don't see what you're looking for, go to the out of print section because it's in there. If all else fails, you can join many Facebook groups and ask people if they have a copy of it. Some people, for some reason, buy 10 copies of one pattern, even though they have one body. Okay, but and they don't sell for other people. Trust me, I know. I had a conversation with somebody in a Facebook group about this. They also, or you can go onto Amazons.com, of course, and then look for it there because oftentimes there is a copy of the patterns that we love on Amazon. Now, it will never be on sale, so you're going to pay the full $20. But if you really, really want it, that's what I recommend that you do. Okay, I'm not going to keep you long at all. I'm trying to make all these vlogmas videos short because I want you to be able to run in here real quickly, hear what I have to say, and then go on your day. So thank you so much for participating. We're in day 7. Oh, day 7. Yes, this is day 7. You guys, it's been a full week. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure I have that wrong too. I bet it's day 6. But anyhow, thank you so much. Have a great one.